cracking, everybody? It's your boy Kim Fresh. Last minute meet. It's already like spot number like what, 5 or 6, and I just pulled up right now, so I'm gonna see if I can get some footage for you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the Cave Cam movement. Let's go. Hit on post notifications, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Okay, Beamer gang, you already know I love BMWs. Yeah. Someone's excited they got the spot. 3 signs that you made it to the right spot: traffic, smoke, and people outside their car. We got a full house right now. Full house Infinity on wire already. Let's get it. Sheesh. Uh-oh. That shit's sparking like my butt cheeks. Oh! Tires pop, there it is. Tires pop, there it is. On rim. Uh-oh. Ajá, verga. Oh, hell no. This guy right here has been playing all the bangers from Reggaeton Bad Bunny. He's also a huge TikToker right here. Míralo. Alright, so they let him know that the cops are coming right now. They're not here yet, but we're leaving in advance. We're on our way to the next location, guys. So far, so good. I'm digging the BMW that was burning out right now. Since I'm a BMW gang, M3 gang, baby, let's go. Ya llegó la policía, guys. Good thing I came in my troca. Come on. Imagine I came in this shit. Would you guys tell me to swing it? I wouldn't swing it, though.
This?
I'd probably be like this.
Fucking chill.
Security is yelling that he called the cops. A little too late, buddy. Nobody's here no more. It's ghost town. So we left just on time, guys. As you can see, cops were on this side, and right here the cops have stopped somebody. Let me see who it is. We got the cops shutting it down right here, but people are able to go on this side, and we got the other officers over there. I don't know if they're gonna follow in the freeway, but the cops came in hot, but we were able to leave just in time. Sheesh. The only thing I see swinging is this damn ambulance. Parece un velorio ahorita at this location. Normally when I get here it's already cracking. We got the tow truck ready for anything. He's ready for anything. Quieto. Got the pizza guy. He's gonna be late for the delivery. He's actually smoking a blunt. I like that pizza guy. Go, so you're not late. Let him pass. He has the late pizza. Let him pass. Hurry up so you can get the pizza on time. Vámonos. Dale, dale. Dale gas, güey. Fuck. You too, because you're a Prius. You're saving the environment. Dale, dale. Dale, Prius. Yeah, go for it. It doesn't matter. Go. I'm the traffic guy. Go, go. Go. We got you. We got you. Dale, dale, dale. Who? No haga eso. Pau, pau. No. No. All right, so he's going to launch it in reverse right now. Culero. No, tenemos los vecinos para afuera. Las doñas dicen qué coño pasa acá afuera. Pull up to the next location. We got the Mustang getting down and dirty. Dirty Diana in the mix. We got another Mustang right now. I guess today's the day of the Mustang. Uh-oh, he's chasing me. Not today, Mustang. We just got here. He's already on wires. Uh-oh. Qué chulada, qué chulada, qué chulada. I love when they throw the chispas. It looks good, it looks good. Uh-oh. Oh, we pull up to the next location. The chopper is lighting up the car that was burning out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got the cops pulling up. We got people running. We got chopper in the sky. Oh. Damn, I think it's fast. I'm here in LA right now, Sunday Funday. I got here a little late, but it's for sure to be cracking already. There's a lot of people here. Right, we're out here. Yeah, we're out here. That's right. That's right. Drip team. We're here at the metro station for the one time. People want him to swing it. I love it in LA though, because they always let the bus pass. There it is. Oh, this way. Oh, get out of here, yeah. Hey, he's like, I'm gonna get out of here. And we got the GTO coming in. And it's coming in calientito, fresh out of the oven. We got the bird. They're smashing out. We're out. We got the bird very low, very low. Like I said, just like that, we're on our way to the next location. Shit, we got the ghetto bird nice and low. Nice and low. A little too low for my flavor. Okay, so like I was telling you guys, see, it's always good to show up to LA no matter the time, because 99% of the time he's gonna be cracking all the time. So we're on our way to the next location. This spot was like 10 out of 10 solid. The ghetto bird was nice and low. It was crazy. We have a beautiful E92 M3. Oh, it's always a pleasure to see. Always a pleasure. Look at that. Sheesh. It's always a beautiful sight to see when I come to downtown LA. I love downtown LA. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the next location right now. You already can hear the car swinging it for the one time. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Oh, we got a classic in the house. Okay. We're pulling up to the spot. You already know it's cracking for the one time. You can hear it all. The BMW's on wire. We got the beautiful GTO. We got one car pulling up, one car pulling up. It appears that there was a car crash right here. I'm gonna go over. Alright. Damn. The car is like super destroyed from the front. Okay guys, so that car that crashed to this car right here. As you can see, the whole door panel's done. And then the ambulance is right here speaking to the person. This car could probably be fixed, but the car over there is 100% probably a total loss.
Spent some days in the trap, ain't got my money up. Bustin' down the road like now she tryna fuck. And now she feeling